meaning of post, content shared on social media platforms.
Example 1. She shared a new post on Instagram.
Example 2. His post received hundreds of likes.
The meaning of like, an expression of approval or enjoyment on social media.
Example 1. He liked the post about the vacation.
Example 2. Her picture got over 200 likes.
The meaning of comment, a written response to a social media post.
Example 1. She left a comment on the video.
Example 2. His comment sparked a discussion.
The meaning of share, to distribute a post or content with others on social media.
Example 1. He shared the article with his followers.
Example 2. Her tweet was shared by many.
The meaning of follow, to subscribe to someone's social media updates.
Example 1. She follows her favorite celebrities on Twitter.
Example 2. You can follow our page for updates.
The meaning of message, a private communication sent between users.
Example 1. He sent her a message to ask about the event.
Example 2. The message was left unread for days.
The meaning of tag, to mention someone in a post or photo.
Example 1. She tagged her friend in the picture.
Example 2. You can tag people in your post.
The meaning of friend, a connection made on social media, typically mutual.
Example 1. He friended her on Facebook.
Example 2. They are friends on every social platform.
The meaning of profile, a user's account page showing their information.
Example 1. She updated her profile picture.
Example 2. His profile is set to private.
The meaning of feed, a continuous stream of posts from people or pages a user follows.
Example 1. Her feed is filled with travel photos.
Example 2. He scrolled through his feed before bed.
The meaning of timeline, a chronological display of a user's posts and updates.
Example 1. Her timeline shows everything she's posted.
Example 2. His timeline is full of memories.
The meaning of mention, to reference someone in a social media post using their handle or username.
Example 1. He mentioned her in his latest tweet.
Example 2. The mention brought more attention to her profile.
The meaning of hashtag, a word or phrase preceded by a hash sign used to identify messages on a specific topic.
Example 1. She added the hashtag travel to her post.
Example 2. The hashtag went viral in just a few hours.
The meaning of story, a temporary post that disappears after 24 hours.
Example 1. She posted a story of her morning coffee.
Example 2. He watched all the stories from his friends.
The meaning of video, a recorded clip shared on social media platforms.
Example 1. The video she posted received thousands of views.
Example 2. He shared a funny video on his account.
The meaning of photo, a picture shared on social media.
Example 1. She uploaded a photo from her trip.
Example 2. His new profile photo looks great.
The meaning of content, any information or media shared on social platforms.
Example 1. She creates engaging content for her blog.
Example 2. His content is popular among tech enthusiasts.
The meaning of page, a public profile used by businesses, organizations, or public figures.
Example 1. The company page has millions of followers.
Example 2. He manages several Facebook pages.
The meaning of channel, a user's profile on a video platform like YouTube, used to upload and share videos.
Example 1. She started her own YouTube channel.
Example 2. His channel has over 10,000 subscribers.
The meaning of notification, a message alerting the user to updates or activity on their account.
Example 1. She received a notification about a new follower.
Example 2. His notifications are always on.
The meaning of username, a unique identifier for a user on social media platforms.
Example 1. Her username is easy to remember.
Example 2. He forgot his username and had to reset it.
The meaning of password, a secret combination of characters used to access an account.
Example 1. He created a strong password for his Instagram.
Example 2. She changed her password after the security alert.
The meaning of bio, a brief description of a user displayed on their profile.
Example 1. Her bio says she loves traveling.
Example 2. He updated his bio to include his new job.
The meaning of status, a short message or update posted on social media.
Example 1. He updated his status to reflect his new mood.
Example 2. She shared her status about the upcoming event.
The meaning of chat, a conversation between users on a social platform, usually in real time.
Example 1. They chatted for hours on Facebook Messenger.
Example 2. She started a chat with her group of friends.
The meaning of reaction, an emoji or symbol showing how someone feels about a post.
Example 1. She reacted with a heart to his post.
Example 2. The reaction feature lets users quickly express their feelings.
The meaning of profile picture, a photo that represents a user on social media.
Example 1. She updated her profile picture with a vacation photo.
Example 2. His profile picture is a selfie.
The meaning of wall, the part of a profile where posts and comments are displayed.
Example 1. She wrote a birthday message on his wall.
Example 2. His wall is full of well wishes from friends.
The meaning of stream, to broadcast or view media content in real time.
Example 1. They streamed the event live on Facebook.
Example 2. She loves streaming games on Twitch.
The meaning of group, a collection of users who interact with shared posts and discussions.
Example 1. She joined a travel group on Facebook.
Example 2. The group discusses various topics daily.
The meaning of account, a profile or login on a social media platform.
Example 1. She created an account to join the platform.
Example 2. He manages multiple social media accounts.
The meaning of trending, gaining widespread attention or popularity.
Example 1. The video is trending on social media.
Example 2. This topic has been trending all day.
The meaning of archive, to save or store older posts for later viewing.
Example 1. She archived her old Instagram stories.
Example 2. He archived the conversation for future reference.
The meaning of block, to prevent someone from seeing your profile or interacting with you.
Example 1. She blocked the user who was sending rude messages.
Example 2. He decided to block anyone who was spamming his account.
The meaning of unfriend, to remove someone from your list of social media friends.
Example 1. She unfriended him after their argument.
Example 2. He decided to unfriend inactive users.
The meaning of unfollow, to stop following someone on social media.
Example 1. He unfollowed several accounts to clean up his feed.
Example 2. She decided to unfollow anyone posting too frequently.
The meaning of DM, direct message, a private message sent between users.
Example 1. He sent her a DM to ask a question.
Example 2. She received several DMs from fans.
The meaning of tagline, a short phrase that summarizes a brand or profile.
Example 1. Her tagline emphasizes her passion for photography.
Example 2. The brand's tagline is catchy and memorable.
The meaning of avatar, a digital representation or image used to represent a user.
Example 1. He changed his avatar to a cartoon version of himself.
Example 2. Her avatar is a photo of her pet dog.
The meaning of viral, quickly gaining popularity and being widely shared.
Example 1. The meme went viral within hours.
Example 2. Her dance video became viral on TikTok.
The meaning of influencer, a person with a large following who impacts their audience's opinions.
Example 1. He is a popular fitness influencer on Instagram.
Example 2. Brands often work with influencers to promote their products.
The meaning of subscriber, a user who follows or subscribes to a channel or profile.
Example 1. Her YouTube channel gained 100 new subscribers.
Example 2. He regularly sends updates to his email subscribers.
The meaning of follow account, the number of users who follow a profile.
Example 1. His follower count reached 1 million.
Example 2. She checks her follower count every day.
The meaning of followers, users who have chosen to subscribe to or follow a profile.
Example 1. Her followers enjoy her daily posts.
Example 2. He responds to messages from his followers.
The meaning of emoji, small icons or images used to express emotions or ideas.
Example 1. She added a smiley emoji to her text.
Example 2. He uses heart emojis in his comments.
The meaning of filter, a digital effect added to photos or videos.
Example 1. She applied a vintage filter to her photo.
Example 2. The app offers several filters to enhance your videos.
The meaning of selfie, a photo taken by oneself, usually using a smartphone.
Example 1. She took a selfie with her friends at the concert.
Example 2. His selfie went viral after being shared by a celebrity.
The meaning of live stream, to broadcast live video over the internet.
Example 1. He live-streamed his gaming session on Twitch.
Example 2. They hosted a live stream to interact with fans in real time.
The meaning of engage, to interact with content or users on social media.
Example 1. She engages with her followers by replying to comments.
Example 2. He tries to engage his audience with interesting questions.
The meaning of engagement, the level of interaction users have with a post or profile.
Example 1. Her post received high engagement with many likes and comments.
Example 2. He tracks engagement to see how well his content performs.
The meaning of platform, the social media site or app where users interact.
Example 1. Instagram is her favorite platform for sharing photos.
Example 2. He uses multiple platforms to promote his brand.
The meaning of comment thread, a series of comments on a post or topic.
Example 1. The comment thread under the video was full of opinions.
Example 2. She followed the entire comment thread on the news article.
The meaning of like button, a feature allowing users to express approval for a post.
Example 1. He clicked the like button on her new photo.
Example 2. The like button helps users show their support quickly.
The meaning of privacy settings, options that control who can see a user's content and profile.
Example 1. She updated her privacy settings to limit who can view her posts.
Example 2. His privacy settings block unwanted messages from strangers.
The meaning of direct message, a private communication between two users.
Example 1. She sent a direct message to her friend about the event.
Example 2. He often uses direct messages to communicate privately.
The meaning of unsubscribe, to cancel a subscription or stop following a channel.
Example 1. She unsubscribed from the email list after receiving too many messages.
Example 2. He decided to unsubscribe from the channel.
The meaning of algorithm, a system or set of rules used to determine what content users see.
Example 1. The algorithm showed him more posts similar to his recent searches.
Example 2. She's trying to understand the algorithm to grow her page.
The meaning of trending topic, a subject that is currently popular and widely discussed on social media.
Example 1. The trending topic today is about climate change.
Example 2. She joined the conversation about the trending topic on Twitter.
The meaning of meme, a humorous image, video, or text that is spread online, often with variations.
Example 1. The meme was shared by thousands of people.
Example 2. He loves creating funny memes for his followers.
The meaning of podcast, a series of audio episodes available for listening online.
Example 1. She listens to a podcast every morning during her commute.
Example 2. They launched a podcast to discuss social issues.